Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about switching accounting software or just taking a break from QuickBooks, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step guide on how to delete your QuickBooks account safely. In under 5 minutes, I'll also share a few key things to double check before you confirm deletion, so make sure to stick around till the end. Sign in to your QuickBooks account. First things first, open your web browser and head to the official QuickBooks website. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Now, carefully enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. This is the same login you use for your QuickBooks Online account, so make sure you're using the correct credentials. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Access your account settings. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of your dashboard and click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From the drop-down options, select Subscriptions and Billing. This is where you can manage your plan, billing details, and yes, your account cancellation settings. Cancel or delete your QuickBooks account. Now scroll down to find the cancel plan option. If you're still in your free trial, you'll see cancel your trial instead. Click on it and QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your choice. Choose yes, cancel. Once confirmed, your subscription or trial will officially be canceled and your account will begin the deletion process. Before you delete your QuickBooks account, make sure to back up any important financial data because once deleted, it's often irreversible. You can always create a new account later if you decide to come back. And that's it. You've just deleted your QuickBooks account in a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more QuickBooks and business management guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.